Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching some pastel colours from the Nail Mate acrylic line, and I'm going to be ombreing them with Perfect Pink. And geez, they look gorgeous.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
I also wanted to take this time to introduce you to my new online training academy called Niant Training Academy. It stands for Not Your Average Nail Tech, because that is what you are. You are not your average nail tech, and you have got this. I currently have 2 courses available, and I will link them down below for you guys if you want to check them out. So let's get straight into this video. I am using the long pop sticks from my website, and I'll have everything linked down below if you want to check them out, all of the items and everything like that. I do know currently some of the pastels are sold out. You guys are going crazy for them. We will work hard next week to restock them. Depending on when you watch this video, of course, just check back. They may well be in stock by now. So I'm going in first with Lilac Roll, and I'm applying that to 3/4 of the nail, and I'm then going to come in and blend that in with Perfect Pink. These powders blend so beautifully and so effortlessly, and they really do lay down really beautifully as well. The next colour that I'm going to come in with is going to be Powder Blue. Now this blue is such a gorgeous pastel baby blue colour. I absolutely love it so much. To be honest, I love anything pastel, and especially like when you put them in rainbow order and stuff. Honestly, absolutely gorgeous. My ultimate fave. So I just blend the colour towards the tip, and then I'm feathering it back up to the nail. I then am going to come in and add my bead of Perfect Pink where that blend line finishes. I'm going to blend it up and down the nail to create that ombre. The next colour that I'm coming in and swatching is Dreamy, and damn, she definitely is that. This colour is such a dreamy pastel colour. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not a pink, and it's not a... in fact, yeah, you could kind of say it's like a very pastel-y salmon colour. It's absolutely stunning. You guys have been loving it. So I'm blending that again with the Perfect Pink powder. I've applied my colour, and then I'm just coming in and feathering down that core powder over the top. Also, another thing that's going to be coming to my website is the core powders will be available in larger pots. So you will be able to get the 165-gram pots for your Toasted Rose, Perfect Pink, Milky Pink. So those are coming soon. I'm not exactly sure when, but hopefully it's not going to take too long. This next colour that I'm swatching is Dusky Pink, and again, it's such a dreamy colour. Absolutely stunning. It's like a cool toned lavender based pink. I love it so much. So I'm applying that to 3/4 of the nail because it's such a long nail, and then I'm going to come in with my Perfect Pink cover powder, and I'm just blending those together and making that ombre. My ultimate favourite pastel is Mint Ninja, and I'm going to be applying that in the same way towards the bottom portion of the nail, pushing and patting out the bead and stroking down to the end of the nail and then feathering back up. You just want to flip your brush round and gently feather so that it's nice and blended. I'm then going to come in with the Perfect Pink and of course create my ombre. Now this colour is absolute life. If you guys have followed me for a long time, you will know that it's one of my first colours that I ever personally mixed myself before I even had the brand, and it was just fate that I had to have it within the line, and you guys have gone absolutely mad for it, so thank you so much for loving Mint Ninja. I'm just adding that cuticle bead and blending down, and then we will move on to the final colour swatch in this video. I didn't do all the pastels. I don't know why, I just kind of felt like doing a variety, but yeah. The next colour that I'm doing is Buttercup, and it is softer. It looks quite a bright yellow on camera, but it is a lot softer than it looks. It's like a lemon pastel. It just looks, I feel like it looks super bright on camera, I don't know why, but it's definitely not like a bright yellow, it's a pastel yellow. I'm applying it in the same way, and then I'm going to come in with that Perfect Pink. And Perfect Pink is such a gorgeous powder to ombre with, along with like Toasted Rose is such a gorgeous powder as well to ombre with. I just love these powders for blending and melting them together. So because I was literally just coming in and having a play around, I wasn't actually intending to film. I just wanted to sit and play in my nail room, but I decided to switch the camera on anyway. I am not going to top coat. I am top coating. I'm not going to file. I'm just literally banging on that top coat. I really just wanted to keep it fun and lovely and effortless, and I find filing sometimes on these pop sticks a little bit of a pain in the butt, and I just couldn't be bothered to cap all the nails and then file them. I know that's super lazy, but you know when you're just in that mood, you just want to create something without all of the extra hassle. So I'm coming straight in with Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to top coat all of the nails and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and the top coat honestly just pops that colour and really brings the ombre to life. I love how it looks with top coat. Of course the nails aren't super smooth because they are not capped and filed, but just imagine them being super smooth. We can all do that. If you haven't already, please do go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and also share as well if you do get time. Of course, you can use my code NINJA5 for 5% off my website. And yeah, I think that is about it. So I'm going to finish off top coating and let you guys enjoy that process. And then I'll show you them all at the end side by side, and they do look gorgeous. Okay guys, so this is the final look of them all side by side. I'll show you in a different lighting as well towards the end, just because obviously some colours can look different under different lighting. Look how gorgeous. Honestly, I cannot get over how freaking beautiful. I just love pastels and rainbows and pastels. Absolutely stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah.